Some facts about your own body sound so unbelievable that if a stranger told you at a party, you'd assume they were lying. Your gut has almost as many nerve cells as an entire cat's brain. Your heart speeds up before you've even moved a muscle. And there's a reflex where touching your ear makes you cough. None of these are made up. I'm going through 10 of these, one after another, and every single one is real, documented, and happening inside you right now whether you notice it or not. A couple of these are so strange that I had to double-check them myself before believing it. I'm George, and this is exactly the kind of thing this channel exists for, the facts about your own body that sound completely made up until you see the science behind them. Let's get into it. First one. Try to sneeze with your eyes open. Almost nobody can actually do it. Sneezing is a single reflex arc, and closing your eyes is wired into that exact same reflex, triggered by the same nerve signal at the same moment. Your brain doesn't ask permission, it just fires the whole sequence at once, eyes included. Next, some people cough the instant something touches deep inside their ear canal. It's a real, documented reflex called Arnold's ear cough reflex, named after the nerve involved. That nerve happens to also connect to your throat, so stimulating one accidentally triggers the other. It doesn't happen to everyone, but for the people it does happen to, it's completely involuntary. Here's one that sounds impossible. Your heart rate can start climbing before you've even started exercising, the moment you decide you're about to. Your nervous system prepares your body ahead of the actual movement, releasing signals that speed up your heart in anticipation. Your body isn't reacting to exercise, it's predicting it. Splash cold water on your face and your heart rate can drop noticeably within seconds. It's called the mammalian diving reflex, and humans share it with seals and dolphins. Cold water on the face signals your body to slow your heart, tighten blood vessels in your arms and legs, and redirect blood toward your most vital organs, an old survival response built for surviving underwater. Here's a strange one nobody asks for. Right before you throw up, your mouth often fills with extra saliva. That's not a coincidence. Saliva is alkaline, and it helps protect your teeth and the lining of your throat from the acid that's about to come up. Your body is prepping the exit route before it even opens. Now for the one that sounds completely made up. The lining of your gut contains around 500 million neurons, which is roughly the same number found in an entire cat's brain. Scientists call it the enteric nervous system, and it can control digestion almost entirely on its own, without waiting for instructions from your actual brain. You genuinely have a second nervous system living in your stomach. Try to read something in a dream and take a closer look, and it rarely holds still or makes sense. Reading is a conscious, structured task that relies on brain regions that stay mostly offline while you're dreaming. Your brain can invent entire dream worlds, but it struggles to fake something as specific and structured as real written text. Try to memorize a long list and you'll notice something odd. You remember the first few items and the last few items far better than anything in the middle. Psychologists call this the serial position effect, and it happens because your brain gives extra attention to what it hears first and holds on to what it heard most recently, while the middle just gets crowded out. You're measurably taller in the morning than you are by the end of the day, by about a centimeter. The soft cushioning discs between your spinal bones slowly compress under gravity while you're upright all day, and they only fully decompress and rehydrate again once you lie down and take the weight off overnight. And last one. During the part of sleep where you actually dream, called REM sleep, several regions of your brain fire with almost the same intensity as when you're fully awake. Your body goes still, but your brain doesn't slow down, it just switches which parts of itself are doing the work. 10 facts about your own body that sound completely invented but are all real. Which one of these did you not believe until right now? Tell me in the comments, and if enough of you want it, I'll go deeper into the gut second nervous system specifically, because that one genuinely surprised me the most. Subscribe if you want more of these, and I'll see you in the next one.